In this video, I will show you how you can block and unblock numbers on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the dialer app on your Oppo phone, then tap on the three dots over here. Now just go to settings, and under the call settings, you will find the option for block and filter. Now just tap on it, and from here, just tap on block list. Now if you want to block a specific contact, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now you can either choose a number from your contacts or you can enter a number manually from here. Now after you enter the number which you want to block, just tap on save and you will block the selected contact. And also if you want to unblock a specific contact, over here you will find all the numbers which you have blocked. Just tap and hold on the number which you want to unblock and select remove. Now as you can see, remove the number from the block list. Just select remove, and by doing this you will remove the contact number from the block list and you will unblock it. Now if your Oppo phone does not have the Oppo dialer, and instead if the default dialer on your Oppo phone is the Google dialer, now for that just open the Google dialer. Now let's set it as the default. Now to block and unblock numbers from Google dialer, first of all just open the Google dialer, then go to the home section. Just tap on the three dots over here and go to settings. Under settings, just tap on block numbers, then tap on add a phone number. And from here, just add the number which you want to block, just like that. After that, just select block. And as you can see, we have successfully blocked a contact number, just like that. And similarly, if you want to unblock a specific contact number, just tap on the X icon over here and select unblock. And by doing this, you will unblock the selected number from your Oppo phone using the Google dialer, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.